you. So today's videos is will be in English. So if you are English speaker and mostly you ask me that if I can recommend any material on YouTube which you can learn Italian in English. So I will recommend three YouTube channels which I think is the best ones with to learn the basic Italian. I think even to learn language you should know one of the language. So if you go to a school and where the teacher they speak always Italian, so it's very difficult to learn them. So if you learn with the English, I think is much better. So these are three YouTube channels I recommend you to learn the best one. So the first one I think is Dolce Vita. So it's it's a set of 30 videos. Every day you can learn. It can be 4 or 5 minutes one video, and it's a basic one. So if you follow this course, I say 30 videos. So after this course, I think you can communicate and you can learn enough that for you can get a A1 level. Then is another one is a Learn Italian with Lucrezia. It's also a very good YouTube channel. She's a very good teacher, Italian teacher. And third one, Italian Made Easy. This one also a very good channel. So you can go and look three channels. So then it's your choice. So which you think is a better one, you can follow. So even if you want to improve other levels, so this is the basic Italian. So if you want to learn more, like you can go to A2 or B1. You can follow these channels or you can check other channels. So for me, it's my personal experience. I watch many times these channels, especially that one Lucrezia. But later on, I find out that the Dolce Vita, which is that set of 30 videos. So if you practice one video a day, 4 or 5 minutes, it can help you a lot. So all English speakers, you can, this is my personal opinion, you can get a very good level of your Italian. Thank you.